This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the partwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 70 of building the Infinity Gauntlet from Marvel Studios and the Infinity Saga and all of that loveliness, and Fanhome as well, of course. D'Agostini, Fanhome, Marvel Studios. This issue we're not doing any building. We've just got the side of the forearm delivered, so we'll have a look at the part and see about fitting it next week or next time, next day, whenever the next issue of this comes out. I've got it all. This issue is out of order from the rest of them, although if you're watching later it will be back in order again. I'll put it in the playlist all in correct order as well. But if you're watching this live, as it were, as this has just been put up online, I've got all of the parts now, the several missing parts. There's like 3 missing issues, and the final 4 issues, I think it is 3 or 4 issues, have all turned up. So now I've got a big pile of stuff that I can work my way through. So this is one of the missing ones. So we'll do this. Thanos' plan, obviously we're looking at, his plan just to get rid of half the universe because of overcrowding. So it's sort of a good thing, but sort of a bad thing as well. There we go. This is all at the movies, obviously, as well. So the side of the forearm, part 1. The inner forearm is now complete. You receive the first plate for the side of the forearm under the thumb. So that's what we've got, and that's where it's going to go. But it doesn't go anywhere yet, but that's what we've got completed so far. Now, I've obviously got that complete, but I've also got the start of the other 2 fingers as well, because of this being out of order. But there we go. Death, the Marvel version of Death. Okay, Deadpool and Death. All about the Grim Reaper. Company of Death. Yeah, okay. Mike Aldred, inimitable. You can't be minitabled. I don't know what inimitable really means. Is it? I can sort of visualize the meaning of it, but I can't put it into words. Strange. There we go. Anyway, he's obviously did a lot of the Fantastic Four stuff as well. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's have a look at the part, and we'll go on from there. And this is it. It's another, obviously, as is all of this Gauntlet, big metal piece. So we've got one of these from the other side. So this is the first side, although I've already done the other side, if you know what I mean. There we go. So yes, this is what we got. Next time, I've looked ahead. We're going to be getting the part that goes onto there, and then we're going to be attaching it into the arm, the issue after that. And then we'll be catching up with some issues that I've already got published. So apparently, apologies for, it being confusing, but it's down to this part not arriving. So, right. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more next time when there is actually some building going on. So, bye-bye for now.